Zoe, you ready to show them what you eat in a day? You ready? No. So I'm going to show you guys what my 10-month-old eats in a day. This is going to be showing her breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, all that good stuff. She's a foodie. So I'm going to show you guys some of her favorite things that she likes to eat. So here is her snack cabinet, her food cabinet. In the morning, she loves to have her yogurt. So I give her her little Cheerio snacks just for her, to get started. And then in between that, I'll give her a spoonful of yogurt. As you can see, she's really, really enjoying her food. Like when I tell you she loves this yogurt, if I take too long to give her a spoonful, she will yell at me. It's so funny because she tries to stuff all of her snack in her mouth at once. And then, of course, she's happy again because she's eating her food. After that, I like to give her some milk just so she can wash it down. I give her like 4 ounces and she drinks a couple, but she needs this or water after she eats. This is actually her favorite, even though she loves her food. Her milk is still her favorite right now. As you can see, she's a little too excited. The next thing is lunchtime. So Zoe really doesn't like to wear her bib, as you can see. But anywho, right now she's eating a vegan Jamaican beef patty. This girl is so picky when it comes to her food. She loves a lot of flavor. I also give her this apple and pumpkin snack to go with it. She loves it. It's just so funny because when I try to give her more, of the really simple, bland foods, she's like, try again. To the point where even when food is being made and if she smells it, she will begin to scream at you because she wants it. I'm also giving her some sweet potato. This is baby food, but I had to season it up because, like I said, she does not care about the bland old baby food. She needs it to be seasoned and, customized for her. Then I just give her some water and I'll give her a little teething beach banana snack to finish it off. Now for din din, aka dinner, I put some chicken in the air fryer and I'll just make her some chicken and some broccoli, some veggies. I'll put it in a little magic bullet and just chop it up because I'm still a scary cat when it comes to the pieces. I want them to, be as small as possible so that she can't choke because it just really frightens me. And I'll just feed this to her and she loves it. Oh my goodness. It had pesto on it. She loves pesto, so I'm excited. She's trying a lot of new flavors right now, and this was a winner. She literally destroyed this. I also added some pasta in this. She loves her rice and her pasta, which is really good because when I feed this to her for dinner, she will be knocked out the whole night because yes, she still unfortunately wakes up sometimes in the middle of the night, sometimes a few times. I'm still trying to catch up on my sleep. But yeah, this is one of her faves. So the last thing that she likes to eat, this is something I will also give her either for lunch or dinner, probably dinner, is her fish sticks, her air fried fish sticks, and her tater tots. She loves her tater tots. I try to give it to her with ketchup. She does not like it, which is crazy because ketchup is my favorite. I think she has to get used to the taste. So right now, she's not really a condiment person, which is okay. She's not like mom, but that's all good. I like that she gets straight to the point and eats her food. Look at her going in. Now for breakfast, another meal that she loves to eat are her egg whites and her tater tots again. She loves this. This keeps her full for a really good amount of time. You can see she's so excited. She's like trying to get out of her chair. She has just been loving her food. We've been experimenting with different things just so I can see what her favorites are and what she doesn't like. And she's not too picky. I mean, she has, some things where she's like, but for the most part, she loves everything. I just give her some water after this and she downs it. So these are some of the meals that she eats in a day. Not everything. There's other meals where we have fruits and more snacks and different kind of things like that. But this is just what I happened to catch while I was feeding her. If you want more videos like this or more videos where I show you other things she eats in a day, comment below and let me know. And me and Zoe will see you in the next video. Deuces!